The country is divided into 300 parliamentary constituencies. So there are 300 seats. Tomorrow we are going to hold election in 299 of them. One had to be dropped because of the demise of a candidate as per law.
Clarity and public confidence in this election. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we approach the election day, that is tomorrow, I wish to reaffirm the Election Commission's unwavering commitment to delivering a peaceful, credible, and participatory election. Comprehensive security and coordination arrangements are in place with support of law enforcement agencies and the government of Bangladesh. A detailed briefing on these relevant areas will be provided by my colleague after my remarks. On a closing note, kindly allow me to express our appreciation